What's up, everybody? How y'all doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. A little chilly out today. It was in the 20s last night, and as you can see, I'm helping my buddy Jason burn some cardboard, and while he's off driving veterans at the VA. Yeah, I'm just out here doing this. I'm waiting for it to warm up so at least the van's not super cold. Waiting on a quote to get the van fixed for the fuel and the oil and all that stuff, and probably go take a shower today because, well, this Bigfoot and Sasquatch needs to be clean. I'm a clean squatch. Go take a shower. I don't know. I'm gonna probably clean up a little inside the van, or attempt to anyway. Kind of hard to do when you're in an area that's dusty and in the desert, kind of. But it is what it is, you know. I don't mind. Poke this fire a little. Excuse me, I'm just trying to do this. Banging's the barrel. As soon as I get to, today's my boy's birthday. Got to talk to him this morning. Yeah, as soon as I get the van fixed and know I can make it to, hopefully he's still in Mississippi, go visit him there in Mississippi, and then when he goes back to Florida, I go back. When I go, I'll go there too and spend that time until August, or end of August, until I got to go back up to Wisconsin to the VA. Beard's starting to look a little bit better. But yeah, that's the thoughts, as y'all already know. I'm doing this video on my personal phone, not on my unlocked phone. Had coffee this morning, had some eggs, because I didn't want them to go bad. I know eggs probably don't go bad if you keep them cold. I don't know. You tell me. But yeah, there's a little bit of snow north of us, or northwest, but it looks like it's going to disappear. And yeah, that's the game plan, I guess, for right now, is wait till this fire twinkles down to nothing and I don't have to worry about ashes starting a fire, and go check the fluids in the the Bigfoot mobile, and go take a shower and smell beautiful, for me anyway. That's, you know, and go from there. But until then, which that will be like in a second for you, but in however long for me. So see you then. What's up, everybody? Let's see, showered, done. Laundry, done. Van got a shower, done. Grocery shopping, done. Now I just gotta put away laundry. I'm currently in grocery store parking lot. Just taking a minute to chill here. No rush to get where I'm going. Yeah, probably head back to my buddy's house here in a little bit and put away laundry and get bed made, and I gotta redo all the little layers of mattresses. Well, it's not one mattress, it's the memory foam that goes on top of them. I got 3 of them stacked. They kind of get it whacked out of place. Got an idea of how I want to have my bed finally set up, but it would require me taking the ambulance storage bench area, which is right there. Take that down all the way to the wall in the wheel well and reconfigure the current bed that I have. Get that put in place. I would like to put the diesel heater behind the wheel well, so that way the exhaust and air filter piece, I guess, all the pieces that got to go outside the van, right there by the exhaust. And then it's just a matter of figuring out the fuel tank, which is a 10-liter fuel tank. Either keep it inside or build a box on the outside. Don't know yet. Haven't gotten that far. Still waiting on a quote for repairs. Once I get that done, or once I get the quotes, or the quote for the fuel lines and all that stuff, get that fixed, and then I'm heading east to see my boy. Today is his birthday. Yeah, that's it for now. See you in a second. What's up, everybody? How y'all doing? I figured I'd go ahead and close this video down. Found out Thursday I will be getting the van in the shop to get all the fuel and oil stuff fixed. Hopefully it's fast and easy, not, a full 8-hour day. But yeah, it's not going to be cheap, but it's not going to be like, holy cow, break the bank type stuff. It's just tight quarters in these Econoline vans, but Thursday it'll be done. And Friday, we'll be on the road heading to see my boy in Mississippi. So yeah, I'm just gonna end this one here. Again, if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, tap on that subscribe button. It would be so grateful for me, and I'd be happy to have you on the Weirdo Nation wild ride. Subscribe, like, comment, and all that stuff. Hopefully I'll try and get another video out here soon. Won't guarantee nothing. I'll get something up, but love life, live life, enjoy life, and be happy. Till next time, stay weird.